Yeah, hi, I am Shiva Kumar Naroju. I have 5 years, 10 months of experience in the non-IT. I was working with Google Maps, and one fine day my friend suggested go online trainings and Bhaskar Jogi sir for the data analytics using Power BI. And I have gone through few demos which are from other institutions, and I like this content because it's completely practical and it's impressive like me where I can improve by working, and I can learn this practical stuff. So I decided to join Go Online Trainings, and I resigned in my previous organization without having any job. But the Bhaskar Jogi's mentorship and practical knowledge videos, it helped me a lot. Now I am in the TCS as a data analyst, like a Power BI developer. Now I am working on a project without having any IT knowledge. The Bhaskar Jogi sir guidance helped me a lot because everyone are looking for the jobs, but they are not at all focusing on the skills. So skill is main matters and consistency is matters. Where a non-IT guy can crack by using Bhaskar Jogi sir's material and practical stuff videos, where you can have 2 or 3 practical projects. There you can have everything the real Power BI developer, what is he does in the company. So you can have at least knowledge on it. So that's the reason, and I can proudly say that I am a student of Bhaskar Jogi sir, and it helped me a lot. And his mentorship and his practical knowledge is very well, and it helped me a lot. And where I can crack the job, but then why can't you? Then it's a good time to switch your career into IT industry by using Bhaskar Jogi's mentorship. So, and that is for me.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir, and thank you, Go Online Trainings. 5 years of experience. My salary was 5 LPA. With one skill like data analytics using Power BI, my salary is 10 LPA now, which is 100% high. One skill, one mentor completely changed my career. And upgrade your skill, change your life.